I'm flying to Tirana. I'm gonna be there for 4 days in Albania. Yeah, so let's hit it.
So we're in Albania. It's fucking hot. I'm dying. Yeah, we are going to be here for a few days. So let's see what this has to offer. This is a viewpoint of Tirana, and it's pretty beautiful. So we are in Durrës, which is a city close to Tirana. It was super hot, so I needed a beach, so I'm here. I don't want to brag, but I'm a champion in rock skipping. So this is my attempt number 1. Let's see how this goes. Tonight we're sleeping in a hammock. I'm at the beach. It's really beautiful. I have heavy clothes and a blanket, so I'm good. So yeah, good night. Good morning, sleepyheads. So this is my last day in Albania, because tomorrow morning we are going to Podgorica, which is the capital of Montenegro. Water control check. I have no idea, I have cocaine. So I'm in Podgorica, which is the capital of Montenegro. It's super small actually. I expected it to be much bigger.
It's not what I expected, but I love it here. It has such a great vibe. So great. I'm so happy. Man, life is great. Life is great.
I have a bus to Sarajevo in like 5 minutes. I'm not sure if I can catch it. I caught the bus, but the bus was full, so I couldn't get in, so I have to take the next one in 5 hours, I think. I'm in Sarajevo, but I'm only here for 3 days, so I hope I can see it all. Border is check. I don't have any cocaine on me, so I'm fine. Okay, I made it to Zagreb. I'm here only for 2 days because my friend from Slovenia is gonna pick me up, so I'm not gonna be alone. Yeah, so let's see. We made it to Slovakia.